from a notepad. Like suppose sometime we have a data in notepad and wanted to connect that. So how to do that? That's the biggest strength for the people knew it, but people don't know. So for this, you can just open it. It is my notepad. So I'm going to close that. Let me connect it from the source. So going to the new source, click on tags and CSV, then navigate your file in your drive where you have, sorry, then click on open and just allow few seconds. After that, you will see that number of rows is as a sample is appear here, but it's totally depend on data. Is total deduction 200 rows first base, and after that you can view the data in edit query up to 1000 rows. Then after you can give your dataset name. I'm going to give it a dataset name is tax export data from tax file. Now name dataset name will be changed automatically once you click here update the name. After close and apply. Now you just allow few seconds. So after that you will see that data set has been created and all respective columns. I'm able to see that. Suppose if you want to drag in your panel report panel, so you can do that. See this. Now I want to change the table. So see this, my all data is appear here. So very easy, and it's very useful because sometimes you receive data from multiple sources. So that is going to help you how to exporting and do formatting and do changes. But following you can catch in next video. Thank you so much for your time and support.